Is it going in?
Yeah, it's going in.
That's what she said. The GDR.
Yeah, it's GDR now. It's got a dick on it, as you can see.
Alright. Let's start this.
It's a nice self-portrait there, Alex. And Carly reckons she's part of Motley Crue.
Yeah.
Alright.
The car will belong to Crazy Horse one stage.
I don't know what the hell's my hair doing. I don't know, it's just all over the place at the moment. Just didn't put it up today at work, so I'm just...
Honestly, it looks like you're trying to flick a bee away.
I feel like there's a bee that's been around me lately. Anyhow. So it's after hours. We just brought the 33 in after having the priming done. Bit of camo now for the blocking tomorrow. And then after that, it goes to the spray booth. And today is only a few days away from drifting. So it's going to be very close because we've got a lot of work to do. We've even got in the wheels sandblasted. They're getting hopefully painted tomorrow as well. There's been a lot. We've rewired the fans, put new fans, a new fuel pump, all new rewire, just because the car actually hasn't been out for probably a good solid year. So yeah, it's good to, you know, go out and feeling a bit refreshed. So we'll get the car to the spray booth soon.